So hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we got my phone. Yeah, this is my phone which I daily use. So I'm gonna tell some features about it and how is it, how do I feel it. So let's power it on first, and you can see me filming. Hi. Yeah, so Vivo camera is music powered by Android. So this is a really nice phone. I mean, it's sometimes lag because it only have like a 2 GB RAM, and it has a 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. So yeah, so I'm filming right now. Let's wait it to turn on. It says Vivo camera and music. Okay, so this is my phone, guys. I hope you can see. I also have face recognition, but I'm not using because it just loaded. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, I told my password. Anyways, it's okay. All my friends know. It's an N. So this is my phone. This basically I got Call of Duty over here. The stuff Call of Duty, Minecraft and stuff. Minecraft PE, Minecraft VR, and yeah, I'm in Bedrock. So this is my phone. I got everything over here, and the best thing about this phone, I really like that if you do this now, you can change these things like this, like this. I already did this on my YouTube channel. I'm just showing you again if you forgot. And yeah, so let's go back to home. Wait, no, I accidentally changed that of I need. What the heck I'm doing, guys? Okay, let's first fix it, and this is fine. So this is my phone. Let's go to the camera. And so yeah, this is the camera. I'm just gonna pick it up. So hi guys, this is my Nani's phone. I'm using it, and I know this is a really blur, and yeah, let's see. So let's start the focus. Can we start so yeah, this is the phone. It is a nice one, and the picture is all actually really nice, and there's also face beauty in it. Face beauty, and it is coming. Yeah, this is face beauty, and like you can adjust it to like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I mean 6. And this is the AI face beauty. I've done the AI. The AI is much better, and I think take photo is much better than the face beauty, because in the face beauty it literally looks like we edited it, and the take photo looks much better. So this is the rear camera of the phone. It is nice. Okay, let's take a picture. And hi. Okay, we took a picture. Let's see. I mean, this phone only has a 13 megapixel. It will be a little bit of blur, but it is fine. Let's see. That's my mother. Now first I'm showing you my mother. Anyways, I kind of like this feature of the phone. If you go to navigation keys and order, yeah, so we can literally change these keys of the phone, like this one, and yeah, there are a lot of options over here, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it this one. And we can also change the color of this. I kind of like this one, so I'm keeping it this one. And like there, and the phone is like the phone. Let's go more settings. And about phone, it is powered by Fun Touch OS, and the model number 1820, all the stuff you need. And the phone is on 26% right now. I didn't really charge it down. Oh no. Oh, why are the navigation keys blue? Yeah, much better. I'm also actually sweating right now a bit. I don't know why. Let's go back, and there's a B. Anyways, I've got all the Call of Duty stuff, and I've got a lot of game. This phone comes with, I think, it comes with 32 GB space, and it could be extended to like 250 GB. I'm not sure that much, but it could be extended actually. So these are the stuff you can just press close over and see this, guys. It turns on. Yeah, so it actually turns on, and if you do this, oh sorry, let's turn it on, and if you do this, it will take you over there. Let's do the face recognition. Just a sec, guys. I'm doing the face recognition, and yeah, okay, so let's do it. It is saying face does not match, and yeah, okay, so it matched my face. The recognition is really fast actually, and I like it. So yeah, and it has more stuff. I just deleted it because the space was filling up. And see this, guys. This is it coming now? This sun come now. There was sun over here that goes still over here, but it's night time, so it is gone. It's not showing right now. And by the way, guys, please tell how is the camera. I mean, like, the camera is fine. This phone's is not focusing on it. Yeah, it is focused a bit. Yeah, it is now better. The camera is also nice. You can also change this. Yeah, we can make it big. We can make it like this one, and we can make it really small. It looks like a movie. Yeah, so let's go back, and if you want to click a picture na, this is a really good. Just do my palm on the, yeah, so it will click a picture on its own. Yeah, I just have to do the thing on the palm, and if you press the power button over here, the upper power button, it will click. And yeah, I forgot to mention this, that it has got like a speaker, a charging port, a headphone jack. I forgot what is the name of this one. And yeah, there is nothing on the top of the phone. There is a power button and some power button. It is this is the SIM card key. And I have actually damaged this phone a little bit. You can see one over there. So the back of this phone is plastic, and it is not bad as you expect it to be. So yeah, it scanned my face recognition. So guys, if you want to do me like more stuff on the phone, you can tell me. And we also got this. Let's do this. Oh, it's not working. Yeah, we also got these things. We can pick what we want. I haven't picked anything till now. And yeah, and I played Call of Duty in this phone only. And yeah, there's also music over here. I'm gonna show you something. The songs. Wait, series. Oh, I forgot. I remember now. I deleted all the songs in this phone because the space was growing a lot. And these are the games I have: Duolingo, Traffic Rider, Roblox, Among Us, and all other games I have. Anyways, guys, I think this was the review on my phone over here. I got this in 2020, and I was really happy about this. So if you want to do a part 2 of it, please hit the like button, and so I'll meet you in the next one.